Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, how's it going? This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. So, today I've got something interesting. If you watched yesterday's episode, you heard about our kind of crummy experience we had at our local Walmart neighborhood market. However, there was something interesting that happened while we were there. I always look at the noodle aisles. And they're not really noodle aisles per se, not like at an Asian grocery. They're just like noodle areas. And there's an area that has domestic stuff, and then there's an area that's more the ethnic Asian section, right? Well, in the ethnic Asian section, I found this. And when I saw it, I was thinking like, there's something peculiar about this. What's so peculiar about it? Well, it's mentioning it's the number one ramen noodle soup in Hong Kong. That doesn't sound exactly like a claim you would see on Demae Ramen original soy sauce flavor with the sesame sauce from Hong Kong. Also, look at the height. Here's the height of the bowl. It's the same size as the new top ramen bowls. That's right, folks. This is made in the United States. I'm really stoked. This is something totally different. They haven't really gone in this direction before, so I'm pretty stoked. What's the deal? So you fill it up to the line. There's the line. You also need your sachets to go in. There's 3 of them. 2 go in now, 1 goes in at the end. So here, I'll let you viddy that. Uh-oh. Here's that one. And then there's the vegetable matter. So you put it up to the line for 3 minutes at 1000 watts for 3 minutes. 1000 watts for 3 minutes, and then 1 minute it'll do just sitting. So let's add our water. Good. Okay. So it's 3 minutes. Power level. Of 80%, because 80% means it's a 1250 watt oven, and 10% of that would be 125. 125 times 2 is 250. 1250 minus 250 is 1000 watts. That's my logic. That's what I'm sticking to. So yeah, hopefully it comes out well. And yeah, if you're wondering, this is not a Nissin USA hat. This is a Nissin Deutschland hat. So it's Nissin from Germany. But I needed a Nissin hat. So I've got a Cup Noodles hat that the Nissin USA folks sent. Thank you. But this is not a cup noodle. This is a bowl. And yeah, it's international. And so is this. So I figured that worked out all right. If you have problems, you can send a self-addressed stamped envelope if you'd like to reply to. Nah. Yeah, I'm beat. How you doing, Miles? Miles is happy. Are you happy?
Count.
Count?
2.
He wants me to start the timer. Because it's going to do the 3 minutes, and then it's going to do the 1 minute. Then I've got that timed up there. So. Microwave is going, yeah.
Then it goes.
Yeah.
Then it goes.
Cooking the food.
Microwave for food.
Microwaving food, that's right. That's what you got to do with the microwave. Got to microwave the food. Where'd my scissors go, though? That's what I need. I need scissors. I don't know where I put my scissors. If you're playing the drinking game, go ahead. Drink. There they are. Found my scissors. If you're playing the drinking game, you should have been drinking that whole time. Chugging, as it were. Almost there. And then I'll push the other button, and Miles will be happy. Yeah, the other sachet that goes in is this sesame oil. And it's a lot of sesame oil. We shall see. I'll push the button in a minute. And the microwave is going to go da 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 da.
5.
It's his favorite song. He loves the microwave jingle. And we start this timer now. Alright. Louder! Hey, hey.
22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Thank you for the color commentary on the timer, Miles. Good job. I'm going to put the contents of this. There we go. Here it is, but I'm going to put it in this pot here, as that will make life easier. Smells pretty good. Here we are. Ooh. There we are. And we need some sesame oil on in there. And again, thank you, Miles, for your cooperation and participation. That's wonderful. He is really, really into numbers lately. Nothing wrong with that. Well, unless you're a person who absolutely hates math. That would be me. I'm just not into it. I'm encouraged that there are people who can handle it. Kind of looks like a shoyu broth. Wow. Heavy duty. That's good. That's very good. I'll be honest, it doesn't make me immediately leap to the mind of the stuff in Hong Kong, but it's quite good. I might even go so far to say I like it better. I don't know. Okay, oops. And I want you to be able to see the broth a little more, so I'm gonna get rid of some of these noodles. I know. Sometimes it's the logical thing to do in a noodle situation. Let's start off with our egg. I tell you, these eggs lately have been kind of butt heads. But that'll all be okay, because we've got some mung bean sprouts. Some chashu. Spring onion. Nanami togarashi. Some sesame seeds. And of course, as always, rotato. me, and you have been watching Instant Noodle Recipe Time with the Ramen Raider. Please go to theramenrater.com, enjoy the website, enjoy the reviews. There's over 3,300 of them posted right now. Enjoy all the other YouTube, and by God, like, subscribe, and all that. Have a good one. Bye.
Thank you.